Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Pakistan's most trusted Islamic YouTube channel, Holy Pearls.
Here, you'll find over 10,000 Islamic lectures.
Beautifully organized into more than 100 playlists. Explore complete translations of the Holy Quran in Urdu, English, Pashto, Bengali, and Sindhi. You'll also discover around 10 full Quranic tafsirs explained by renowned scholars. Listen to Quranic recitations from the respected Imams of Makkah al Mukarramah and Medina al Munawwara. Benefit from the inspiring lectures of Pakistan's leading scholars, especially the complete collection of Sheikh Makki al Hijazi, Hafizahullah, including his 20-year-long tafsir of the Holy Quran. Join us and enrich your soul with knowledge and wisdom. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends and family so that the circle of blessings continues to grow. At Holy Pearls, we do not earn from advertisements. This channel is maintained purely as a sadqa jariyah. Jazakumullahu khairan.